Calculate overhead variances from the following information. What do you have to calculate? Overhead variances. We know we have to calculate three overhead variance: variable overhead cost variance, variable overhead expenditure variance, and variable overhead efficiency variance. Now, what is the information for this purpose which they have given? Fixed overheads दिया है, budgeted is 30,000, actual is 30,690. Now fixed overheads, क्या हमें यहाँ पर variable overheads find out करने में कहीं पर used होगा? Obviously no. So this is just a extra information which we have right now. Next one is variable overheads. 10,000 is for budgeted and the actual one is how much? 8,920. Now क्या ये information हमें काम में आएगी? Yes, this information will be helpful to us. ठीक है, this is a variable overheads which has been given to us. Hours are given 10,000 hours and 9,900 hours. Fine. And output कितना है? 5,000 and 4,500. मतलब 5,000 was a budgeted one, whereas the actual में कितना हुआ था? 4,500 हुआ था. Now, can you all just tell me what is the information which we required and it is not given? Do we have a standard rate which is given over here? Do we have an actual rate which has been given? No, you need to find it out. You need to do the calculation and you need to find it out. How you can find out the standard rate? Budgeted overheads divided by budgeted hours. And actual rate कैसे मिलता है? Actual overheads divided by actual hours. Do we have these two things? Yes, we have these two things in the question. तो standard rate find out कर सकते हैं. अब देखो budgeted hours कितना है? 10,000 divided by कितना budgeted hours कितना है? 10,000. So 10,000 divided by 10,000 will give you 1. So standard rate कितना है? ₹1. Same way you can find it out the actual hour. Sorry, actual rate. Actual hour. Actual overheads divided by actual hour. So what is actual overheads? 8,910 divided by actual hours is 9,900. Will be equals to 0.9. जितना चाहिए क्या हमारे पास सब कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल है? यस, वी हैव ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन व्हिच वी रिक्वायर्ड. सो नाउ वी कैन जस्ट फाइंड इट आउट द वेरिएंसेस. अब देखो, वी नो दिस चार्ट. इसमें से क्या माइनस करेंगे तो वी कैन इजीली गेट इट अप. हमें ये चार्ट पता है तो बस ये चार्ट देखो एंड यू जस्ट अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला. दैट्स इट. So first one is variable overhead efficiency variance. कैसे मिलेगा? Standard rate standard R minus standard rate actual R. Do we have a standard rate? Yes, we have just calculated ₹1. We have a standard R was given. Yes, we have a standard R which has been given. क्या दिया है? कितना है? 9,000. Yes, if you want, you can just write it down over here. Standard hour is equals to standard R for actual output Standard hour is 10,000 divided by 5,000. Hours divided by output. Actual output 4,500. So which will be 9,000 hours. So by this we got a 9,000 hours minus standard rate into actual hour. What is the standard rate given? We have already calculated, 1 rupee. Actual hour कितना है? 9,900. This will be equals to 9,000 minus 9,900. 900 adverse. तो अगर ये चार्ट आता है तो चार्ट से इजीली यू कैन जस्ट write down the formula. Variable overheads, expenditure variance, standard rate into actual hour minus actual rate into actual hour. Standard rate into actual hour. So 1 rupee is the standard rate. Actual hour is 9,900 minus actual rate is 0.9 into actual hour 9,900. Is equals to 9,900 minus. Just calculate 0.9 into 9,900. 8910. So this will be 990 but favorable. Last one is variable cost variance. We all know that variable cost variance is a total of what? Efficiency variance and expenditure variance. अगर verification करना है तो क्या कर सकते हैं? Yes, we can do it the verification as well. Let's first find out this and then we will do the verification. Standard rate into standard hour. So 1 into 9,000 minus standard rate, actual rate is 0.9 into standard hour is 9,900. Eight nine 10. But favorable. Verification कर सकते हैं. Yes, we can do the verification as well. variable overheads cost variance is equals to, just writing down VO for variable overheads. Variable overheads efficiency variance plus variable overheads expenditure variance. अब देखो कॉस्ट कितना आया, 90 फेवरेबल, एंड एफिशिएंसी कितना था, 900 एडवर्स, एक्सपेंडिचर वाज 990 फेवरेबल. आ गया? यस. डन विद दिस. सो बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन पहले तो ये देखो कि क्वेश्चन में क्या है. हियर दिस वी हैड अ extra information with us. So we were not having a standard rate, we were not having the actual rate, and we were not having a standard R for the actual output. So we have just find it out and then we find calculated the variance. अब मुझे ये बताओ, if they have given this information and if they are asking you to find out the variable fixed overheads variances, can you all find it out, the fixed overhead variances from this information which has been given? Fixed overhead variances, obviously आप उसमें भी स्टैंडर्ड आवर फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. स्टैंडर्ड आवर वहां पर भी क्या होगा, सेम रहेगा, दैट इज 9000 ओनली. Then you have to find out over there budgeted hours. What is the formula for budgeted hours? ऑब्वियसली जो आज दिया है, नॉर्मल वर्किंग आवर्स जो दिया है वही आप उसमें लोगे, तो जो भी वर्किंग आवर्स है वही आपका बजटेड आवर्स है. कितना है, 10,000 रुपीज. सो वहां पर आपका बजटेड आवर्स विल बी 10,000. यू राइट इट डाउन समवेयर क्लास. स्टैंडर्ड रेट 9,000, budgeted hour will be how much, 10,000. स्टैंडर्ड रेट वहां पर क्या होगा, बिकॉज फिक्स ओवरहेड का रेट इज डिफरेंट. सो 30,000 डिवाइड बाय 10,000, so rupees 3 per hour. 30,000 divided by 10,000 will be give you rupees 3 per hour. And actual rate 30,690 divided by 9,900, so this will be 3.10. तो बस ये चार चीज मिल गई तो आप इजीली आपके फिक्स ओवरहेड वेरिएंसेस भी फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. कौन कौन से, फिक्स ओवरहेड कॉस्ट वेरिएंस, फिक्स ओवरहेड वॉल्यूम वेरिएंस, फिक्स ओवरहेड एक्सपेंडिचर वेरिएंस, फिक्स ओवरहेड एफिशिएंसी वेरिएंस एंड फिक्स ओवरहेड कैपेसिटी वेरिएंस. Because you just required the 4 information, and from that 4 information you can just find it out. I'm just writing down over here. Standard as 9,000. ये देखो यहाँ पर हमने स्टैंडर्ड आवर्स का कैलकुलेशन किया था. दिस विल रिमेन द सेम फॉर दिस सम एज वेल व्हेन यू आर फाइंडिंग आउट द दिस फिक्स ओवरहेड वेरिएंस. बजटेड आवर्स वो भी कितना रहेगा, 10,000. Standard rate will be 30,000 divided by 10,000 equal to rupees 3 per hour. Actual rate 30,690 divided by 9,900. This is equals to 3.10 per hour. Now with this 4 information, you can easily find out the fixed overhead variance. Anyone facing any of the doubt?